Hi, it's Jamie here from Where's It Gonna Go? I've always been a big fan of the Nanoleaf panels. Really wanted some for the home office. Never got round to it. And then a couple of months ago I found out that the new ones were coming out called the Canvas. So I waited and waited. They finally came for pre-order a couple of days ago. Ordered them and today they've arrived. So this is the starter kit. It's got 9 panels. It's got the controller. It's got the power supply and the mountings, everything in it. I've also ordered with it a couple of these, which are the extension packs, so you get 4 more squares in each one. Really looking forward to installing them. It's a bit of a job, so I'm not going to be doing that today because I want to make sure it's in the right place and straight, you know. But today I will be opening the boxes. We'll have a look what's inside and we'll try and plug them in and have a little play. So let's unbox these Nanoleaf canvases. Okay, here we go. So on the packaging here it tells us that they respond to touch, got real-time music sync, voice control enabled, and they're adjustable white and colourful lights, 16 million colours, works with Apple HomeKit. So okay, let's see what else is inside the box. So we've got a little instruction book here. Tells us some basics about how we can set them up. It looks like most of the instructions we're going to have to go to the website to see a user guide. Okay, and here's the tiles. They are probably about 6 inches square, and there should be 9 of them in this box, so let's pull them out. Okay, and this one's got a sticker on it, so this one must be the control panel. I guess the sticker comes off, it's just to show you what's what. And they're all, apart from that, they're all pretty much identical. So this is what you get in the box. We've got a power adapter with UK and US plugs. We've got some linkers for connecting the panels together. Some double-sided stickies for mounting them on the wall. And of course the 9 panels, which are all pretty much identical apart from the controlling one. They've all got on the back, they're connected on 4 sides actually, so you can put them anywhere you want. And there's little parts here where you can put these tape stickers for mounting. Okay, the moment we're all waiting for, let's plug them in and see what happens. So here are the 9 panels, and we use these little linkers here to join them all together, and then we'll put some power to it and see how it goes. That's a very quick and easy way to do it. Now what we're going to do is add some power. And that simply goes into one of the spare slots, so this is basically like the linkers. We'll stick that in here. Okay, we've got power. Little lights flashing, let's switch it on and see what happens. Right, so I've switched them on. We're phasing through some different patterns here. I've not looked at the instructions yet or anything, so I'm not quite sure how we've done it, but basically I've laid them out so they connect in like a figure S shape, rather than being independently like here to here and here to here. So I guess that might influence how the designs will work, but I say I'll look at that in the instructions later on. Right, let's just try going through some different scenes here. Some of these scenes, like this one I think, is based on our sound. So when we talk, it lights up. That's pretty impressive, isn't it? We can alter the colours here as well. Let's just alter this to, instead of a white, we could have a blue. Oh, actually I've changed the scenes there, I think, so it's not working to my voice again now. Yeah, I really need to look at the instructions. And you know, as boys, we don't tend to look at instructions, but in this case, I think I definitely need to. But overall, they look really great. Really great. And that's with the lights on. I mean, with the lights off, they're going to look a lot better. We can adjust the brightness here. Let's just turn it up to maximum brightness and dim them. So they can be really subtle and almost off, or we can turn them up to maximum brightness. So we're back to the music one now again. So this is reacting to my voice. This is a musical scene. So what I've noticed is that as well as being sensitive to sounds, they seem to react brighter if the noise is louder. So we're going to play some music now and see how it looks with some sound. So that's my first look at the Nanoleaf Canvas. It looks really amazing. I can't wait to get them on the walls. And as I said, I've got these 9 squares here. I've got another 8 in the box, so it's going to be quite a nice wall display. I will be doing that soon, and I'll make another video when they're in place in my configuration. So please look out for that one. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up if you like the video. I'll see you soon.